What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to finish off replacing that radiator support, and we'll do the hood while we're at it. I also got a air duct for the radiator made of aluminum, so we'll see about putting that in today while we have everything disassembled. All right, let's get going. All right, guys. So I got the mounts on. They are not tight. They're just kind of screwed on there so that I can align them. I also noticed, well, not that it wasn't apparent before, but yeah. So the liner on the hood is all ripped up on this one. So what I'm going to do is take this liner off and swap it out with the liner that's on the current hood because that one's not ripped. So I'll do that real quick. All right, guys. So I'm actually going to take the liner off of the hood that's on the car because it'll make it a lot easier to disconnect the washer lines. And it looks like there's another mechanism that I don't know what it is. So we're going to take the liner off of this one, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So today we got the hood replaced, liner swapped over, the old radiator support out, and well, we haven't put the whole new one in yet, but it's mounted there, well, resting there, waiting for the new liner or the new duct, cooling duct. So, all right, let's see here. All right, new radiator support. It's in there. We got one bolt on either side, kind of just holding the condenser up for now. probably get to this tomorrow. Got the new hood on with the liner. I took the hood pins out because it's just annoying. Uh, the electronics are hooked up. I need to rerun the hose for the windshield wiper fluid, but that's fine. So then next episode, I'll be putting the cooling duct in there that directs air directly to the radiator. Helps keep it cool under, hard track days. Um, and finish mounting that all up. Still leaking, and it looks like it might be a cracked radiator, so I might actually have to buy one. Um, which again, I should do before I put everything back together. Might just go Mishimoto high performance radiator, Spec 3 legal, and in the end, it'll probably be done. So why not do it now?